Hey guys, this is Ashnoor Kaur and welcome back to my YouTube channel. And today we are gonna talk about, drumroll please, serums. So we all know how important serums are. Serums are like these highly concentrated products that really help in targeting those specific skin problems and help you achieve your goal much quicker. So that's the reason I thought let's talk about how to integrate a serum in your skincare routine in today's video. So let's get started. So guys, before beginning with the entire thing, it is really important to understand how important and how effective can serums be, and also how important it is to choose the correct serum based on your skin concerns. And in this video, I'm also going to talk about the painful, horrible cycle of acne, pimples. And I can say this with the utmost guarantee that every one of you watching it might have gone through this cycle of pimples and acne. And it's like you get a pimple, it takes days for it to disappear, and then it leaves like this deep dark mark. And it's so annoying. And no, it is not just one pimple, okay? It is like pimples all over your face, and it is so painful to even look at yourself when you have pimples, because everybody wishes to have a clear skin. So the question is that what is the solution to this? One word: vitamin C. Vitamin C, as we all know, it's really good for brightening the skin. And vitamin C होता है लेमन में, ऑरेंज में, जो कि बहुत बार मेरे फेस पे लग चुका है, और मैं सारे खाने की चीज़ें लगा देती हूँ मेरे फेस पे. Anyways, coming back to the point, vitamin C is also known to reduce the production of melanin, which is why it is helpful in reducing the scar marks that you have on your face or the acne marks that you get. Guys, vitamin C is also known to exfoliate your skin, removing the dead skin cells and making your skin soft and smooth. It boosts the production of collagen, which you can say in a way also acts like an anti-aging property. And then we also have this one property that it is an antioxidant. So it helps to cure any sort of inflammatory skin problems. All in all, guys, vitamin C should be like your best friend if you are really prone to like acne pop-ups or the redness that you get on your face. And well, I guess I've also got your best friend. Guys, I recently came across Garnier's Vitamin C Booster Serum, and oh my god, you guys, you have to add this in your skincare routine ASAP. So this particular serum comes with a concentrated spot reduction formula and has 3x vitamin C and yuzu lemon. Guys, if you didn't know, yuzu lemons are great antioxidant protectors, and they have amazing properties that actually rejuvenate your skin, and it leaves you with a more youthful appearance, and it also reduces the aging signs. Garnier's Vitamin C Booster Serum is absolutely amazing because it has 30 times of that vitamin C and yuzu lemons. So if you're looking to reduce your acne scars and have a brightened face, this is your money. Guys, one thing that I love about this serum absolutely is its texture. It is so lightweight and it has a non-oily formula. So what happens is, it is really important to have a non-oily formula, because in the process of actually reducing your acne scars, you'll end up getting more if the serum that you're using is oily. So I totally love this thing, that it's lightweight and totally absorbs in your skin immediately. Guys, so to apply this product, I usually cleanse my face with Garnier micellar water. Then I take like 3 to 4 drops of this serum in my palm and then apply it on my face in tapping motions. Make sure if you want the best results, you don't apply too much pressure. Did you see how easily the product got absorbed into my skin, leaving my skin glowing, youthful and hydrated? So guys, I use this serum twice a day, once in the morning and the other at night. And I've been using it for a couple of days now. To be honest, sharing the results, it surely has made my skin much more hydrated and bright and really nice. reduce the acne scars. Guys, the acne scars were like just reduced within 3 days of my usage, and I was really happy seeing the result. I mean, it worked, and how. And another really amazing thing about this, that is just for rupees 449, which I feel is pretty reasonable for the result it gives. So what I'm trying to say is, it is really important to invest in your serums, in your skin serums, the similar way you invest in your face washes or your moisturizers, because you know your skin needs that love and that care if you wish and desire it to look a certain way. And sometimes it even needs that extra loving and caring, or else you won't get that flawless baby like cheeks. So guys, next time you plan to buy a serum, I would highly recommend Garnier's Vitamin C Booster Serum, and the link to purchase it will be in my description box below. Don't worry, why there is fear when Ashnoor is here. So guys, that was for today's video. I hope you enjoyed it and got to know the importance of a serum, using it in your skincare routine. So yes, if you did, don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe, and hit the bell icon to not miss any update. You can mention in the comments what do you guys want to watch next, or any particular product review that you want me to give. I would love to do that. And fan of the week is Kaur. Congratulations, I read your comment which says, I have subscribed for quite some time. Ashnoor, you're so sweet and I have loved you since your role as Mini in Patiala Babes. Love you so much. Lots of love to you back. Thank you for loving me as Mini in Patiala Babes and now as Ashnoor. And just keep loving and supporting, that's all we need. For you guys who haven't been the fan of the week yet, you can comment below with your name and I have subscribed, so I might take your name in my next video. Till then, take care, loads of love, stay home, stay safe.